Personalizing pleasure in meeting someone. Elevate your introductions. Hello, English learners around the world. Today, we're diving into a crucial aspect of social communication, expressing pleasure in meeting someone. In particular, we'll focus on how you can create personalized introductions to make a strong, positive impression. Let's jump right in. Before we get creative, it's important to understand the basics. Traditional expressions of pleasure during introductions include phrases like, "Nice to meet you," "Pleasure to meet you," or "I'm glad to meet you." These phrases are great, but we're going to add a personal touch to them to make our interactions more engaging and memorable. Adding personalization to your expressions involves carefully considering who you're talking to and the context of your meeting. Let's look at some ways you can personalize these greetings. Subsection 2.1. Personalize by profession or role. If you know the person's profession or role, you can include it. For example, if you're meeting a professor, you could say, "It's an honor to meet someone who shapes young minds." Subsection 2.2. Personalize by interest or hobby. If you know the person's interest or hobby, use it to your advantage. For instance, "I've heard so much about your love for hiking. It's a pleasure to finally meet you." Subsection 2.3. Personalize by the situation or context. Refer to the situation or context in which you're meeting. For instance, at a book launch, you could say, "What an incredible book launch. I'm delighted to meet a fellow book lover." Practice is key to mastering any skill, and personalizing introductions is no different. Create hypothetical scenarios and practice how you'd introduce yourself uniquely. Remember, it's not about making stuff up, but about adding a personal touch to your introductions. Expressing pleasure in meeting someone is more than just uttering a standard phrase. By personalizing your introductions, you're not just making a conversation, you're making a connection. We hope this video helps you in making your introductions more engaging and unique. Keep practicing, and happy learning!